Let me hand over the microphone to the Kulu one, the Benemene Chatra one of Ogoniland. I want to sincerely appreciate you for this wonderful reception you have given to us today in the great town of Okada. From the time we flagged off our campaign at the Baptist Convention Center, today's visit to Okada marks the 58th visit in my campaign tour to different parts of Edo State. I want to happily inform you that the train is moving. The train is moving at a supersonic speed, and the destination is government has been exiting. Is between PDP, APC, and others. The next election is between Pastor Barrister Osage Ezeyamo and Obaseki Oshomole and others. In the APC, the governor, Adams Oshomole, is the campaign manager. Is the MC, is the guest speaker, is the co-candidate of the APC. So far, I've watched their rallies, and the only thing Oshomole is telling the Edo people is that Obaseki was the head of his economic team. But let me tell you, a few questions we do for Obaseki. As head of economic team, what is the operational status of Edo Line today? Dead. Edo Line? Better brewery? Better insurance? BDPA? So what is Obaseki bringing to the table? The true initials of Obaseki is GOA. Go away, Obaseki. What did I say? Go away, Obaseki. What did I say? It is clear to us that the only reason why Oshomole is promoting Obaseki as the APC candidate is because Obaseki is his business partner. A few years ago, Obaseki influenced the loan in the capital market for 30 billion. That loan was taken by Obaseki and Oshomole for the Benin Stormwater Project. But today, the Stormwater Project is the Benin Storm financial scandal. I have signed vouchers showing clearly that to date, out of the 30 billion Oshomole and Obaseki took from the capital market, they have paid out 23 billion 700 and something million. And that project, as we speak, is only 30% executed. Out of 30 billion, they paid out 23 billion 700 and something million, as you can see in this voucher. Now, it is painful to hear the Commissioner for Environment, Clement Agba, coming out now to tell Edo people that it will take 30 years for them to complete that project. What's up? Ocho, Ocho. we have the Ojerami Dam, in a state where we have the Ubalo water scheme, in a state where we have the Ikova water scheme, we don't have water to drink. But from these vouchers, Oshiomhole awarded a contract for water fountain at Ring Road for over $500 million. From these vouchers, Oshiomhole awarded another contract for the turnaround maintenance for the water fountain for $200 million. From these vouchers, Oshiomhole awarded another contract for the sum of $7.5 million per month, bringing the total to $19 million in a year for the maintenance of the water fountain. How can we continue without water in our home? Say no to go away or Pataki. Thank you. Thank you. Now, I will not want to take too much of your time. I can see the women are eager to see our candidate. The youth are eager to see our candidate. But let me tell you quickly, our candidate is a good man. He grew up in Edo State. He had his primary school education in Edo State, secondary school, university, Edo State, in Barrett in Edo State. The man don't marry Oyibo. Thank you. They got one song where would they sing, where would they? They got one song where would they sing, where would they Uniben? Una go follow me sing down. Ocho